Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So today's look is going to be inspired by Juneteenth. I decided to do a look inspired by the colors that I just feel really stand out and pop to me. So this look I will be inspired by the Juneteenth flag. So without further ado, guys, let's just go ahead and get into the video and you can see how I achieve this look. Alright guys, so already off camera I did my brows and I already set my eyelids before I start applying my eyeshadow. The first thing I'm going to do is start with my transition color, which will be from the Juvia's Place Afrique palette, and I'm going in with the shade Cameron, and I'm just going to apply that to both my lids as a transition shade before I apply the colors. I'm really applying the transition color more so in the upper of my lid, and I'm working it from the outer to the inner lid, but not too far in the inner lid because I want the color to show more vibrant. And if I put the transition color, I feel like it's going to diminish the color. So as you see me not go too far in or too far down, it's all because I don't want too much of the color to be diminished when I start applying the color to my lid. Okay, so guys, I was kind of feeling like everybody don't want to see me blend out eyeshadow, so this tutorial is going to be a little bit different. But what I'm going to do here is, well, as you can see, I went in with the yellow in my inner lid and I brought it up into my brows. Then I went in with that transition shade and I kind of brought it up into my arch to blend out the yellow. And then next what I'm going to do is go in with my NYX Soft Tropic and use this green. If I don't like the color, the way the green looks in Off Tropic, I will be going in with the Niger from the Afrique palette, and I will apply that on top of that if I feel like the green is not as defined as I want it to be. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the next step. So I will come back once that shadow is complete. And guys, let me know right now in the comments below if you're liking this tutorial where I'm telling you the colors I'm using, then come back and doing it. Then you know you actually seeing me apply it. I'm only doing it differently this time just to see how you all respond to it, because a lot of my, I've been watching to see how interested and interactive my subscribers are, and a lot of times you all don't like the lengthy videos. So I'm just trying to find different ways and different concepts to entertain you guys in a time frame that you all like to watch and see videos. So let me know in the comment below if this is something that you like. But let me go ahead and get this eyeshadow on and I'll be back with the next process. Okay guys, so I did that look. I don't know why it's not looking. Let me get closer. You see how that's looking? It's like I want it to blend and I want it to be like this, because when I do it, ooh, yeah, I want you to feel it. I want you to feel it. Okay, anywho, that brow is bothering me, guys. Yeah, that brow was bothering me. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, can you see how blended it is? Look at that. It's like one whole thing, right? So I like how this is looking, but I want to darken the corners a little bit, so I'm going to go in with a black, well, not a black, but like a darker tone. And I'm seeing this oh, it's called Sis. So from the Wahala palette, I'm going to go in with Sis, and I'm going to use a little bit of that in the inner of my well, not the inner but the outer of my lid, to kind of like darken and give some more dimension of that, just to like set it. Okay, and then what I think, there's this fire right here, and I'm hoping it's like it's not ready. Let me see if I got another red. I'm gonna try another red. Okay guys, so what I'm actually going to do is I got my Morphe James Charles palette, and what I'm going to do, I use the shades You're Kidding Me, also the shade Spooky. I'm going to use the shade Spooky in the outside of the eyes I explained earlier, and the You're Kidding Me, I'm going to apply that to the bottom of my lid, And then I'm thinking I may also smoke out the bottom of the red with the spooky. So yeah, let's just see how that looks. And I'm actually, guys, I feel like I've been neglecting y'all by doing this different tutorial. So I'm going to try to, I ain't going to try, I'm going to do it. I'm going to record that part because I don't know if I'm liking this new way, because I don't like it. I don't like doing it like that. You know? I'm trying to look and see which, can't even get my words out, y'all. I was trying to see which brush I wanted to. Y'all like, okay. I was trying to see what brush I was going to use. What color is this? I'm going to get it together one day, y'all. This may be too much for me, too. I need a real tiny, and I think I've used all mine that's been clean, and that is really too small for me. Okay, so we're going to use this one. I don't even know what's on this brush. Well, we got to put on black, so I mean, at this point, it really don't matter. Ooh, I'm already feeling it. Like, we are setting. See, told y'all, it's like giving it what it needs, y'all. Y'all feel that? Y'all feeling that? Like, it's giving me what I need in that corner. And it also helps with the transition from the brown. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, what's y'all plans for Juneteenth? Y'all got any plans? Any celebration? Anything? I mean, I know we can't do much, but with your immediate family, y'all could do something. I will have to work on Juneteenth, guys. Unfortunately, it is not a paid holiday for my company, and I will not disclose where I work because I still need my job. So, yeah. That girl said, "Cause I still need my job." Yes, I do need all my coins, honey, until I know otherwise. Every dollar count, honey, okay? Okay. This side is looking, it's looking really like, I don't know, y'all. Which side is your favorite already? Because I already think I'm feeling this side better. It just always blends better. It's always one eye better than the other for me. I have never, like with hair, anything, nails, I've never been one to be able to duplicate anything. Okay, baby, I cannot duplicate anything. Okay, nothing duplicated over her. Okay, that was that too much, y'all? Too much, okay, sorry. I'm sorry. How y'all feeling? I don't know. Okay, so what I'm thinking, just throwing it out there. The red, I'm thinking I'm gonna take it down to this yellow, right? Bring it up, take it up, and smoke this part. But it's not gonna be so, it may be like a, you know, side effects needed. Thank you. Noted, duly. Oh, I wish I could see how it looks up close and personal, because I kind of feel like you're not getting the full effect from where you are. That's perfect. At this point, I don't want to apply too much because I don't want it to be black. I just want it to be like, see now look, that is over there. This one is not. Told you. I hope y'all appreciate the effort I be giving y'all, because I really be mm-hmm. Hmm. 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 Okay, y'all, I'm stop because I don't want to keep messing and then mess it up. So yeah, we just gonna leave that, and we'll put a note in it. We'll put a tip. What is that? We'll put a we'll put a pin in it. Y'all, I had to dab it like that because I knew if I blended out, oh my, I would have been going crazy. And I'm glad I got this brush because I'm gonna want to outline where the yellow is. Yeah, you see that? You see it. You see it. You know you be getting excited when like things work out. So I'm doing it. It doesn't turn out so good. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, y'all, is I have this little pen. I mean, well, not this little pen, but I'm going in with my Morphe M330 brush, and I'm going to. Y'all, I'm scared to use the black, but I want to smoke out the black on the bottom. We're gonna do it. Just gonna do it. So we're gonna use a spooky. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I don't want to mess it up because y'all, if it don't look right, I'm telling you right now, if it don't look right, we're gonna keep this look going. You think we're not? I hear somebody say don't do it. I hear y'all saying don't do it. If y'all saying don't do it, put in the comments right now. Oh my god, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I don't even know if I did it right, but we're gonna do it. Oh, not that bad, y'all. And what's so crazy is I kind of feel like I used the wrong end. But we're gonna keep it going. Okay, let's take it out a notch now. I'm getting too happy-handed. There I go, blending it out, y'all. Okay, y'all, so since y'all seen this, me do this on camera, I'm gonna go fix this eye, apply my lashes, and come back. And then we're gonna go from there, okay? Okay, just work with me. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do next is go in with my foundation. I've already primed my face. So I'm going in with my Black Opal in the shade Rich Caramel, and using my Juvia's Place in the J13 concealer, my Maybelline setting powder, my blush, and all that. Basically, I'm about to just do my whole face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we're just gonna talk about this look and see how we feel about it, or some areas that we could have did better. So yeah, let's just do it. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and how I did this video a little bit differently this time, guys. This look is not bad. I kind of wish some colors would look different than it did. I kind of think I should have brought some of the color up, maybe even like faded out my brows on one side. I don't know. I don't know, I'm just looking at different things I could have did better. But overall, I'm not too upset about the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment below and let me know what you liked and what you didn't like about this video, about the way I did this tutorial a little bit different this time. Definitely, guys, if you made this far, please don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true, stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.